Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. In the next 25 seconds, I'm going to show you how to cut 3 roof cap shingles using one standard 3-tab shingle. The lines you're about to see on the back of the shingle, I drew those so you could easily see where I'm cutting. Let's do it! Flip the shingle over, use a sharp razor knife to make these 6 cuts. After making the cuts, bend the shingle along the cut lines and remove the small triangle pieces. You've now got 3 cap shingles. You can get tips like this each week in my free Ask the Builder newsletter. Go subscribe right now. The link is right there in the video description. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.